2013 Subaru Outback. When you're turning on the AC or the heater, there is some clicking noise that's coming from under the steering wheel. For mine, it was the main blender motor for the vents, and I opened the motor. The wires over here is chewed up by these wires through time, and it can no longer connect it. That is why it is giving that clicking noise. You can take it off. I took it off from under the steering wheel. There is two motors. One is this guy over here, and the one that I took off is right above it. Yeah, thank you so much.